My goodness, the Temptations, formed 57 years ago. So many awards, Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. What is it about the band that has stood the test of time?
Well, first and foremost, you got to love what you do. When I stop and think about, this world, we are a small percentage of people doing what we love to do. There's a lot of people who have to get up from 9 to 5 or whatever hours they might have to do and hate what they do. I can't say that.
What are some of your favorites that you still love to perform?
Well, naturally, My Girl. My Girl was released December of 1964. February of 1965, the Beatles sent a telegram to us congratulating us. And to me, the Beatles, out of all the bands, I love me some Beatles. I cherish that, so I still have it today. You never would imagine that we would get accolades from like the Beatles.
I know you want to leave me, but I refuse to let you go.
I can only imagine. This must be such an emotional experience for you to have this life, this band, this music turned into a musical. What does that feel like for you?
You could have tipped me over with a feather before I would believe that my life story would be going to Broadway.
In your latest record, you are inspired by some new pop music. You guys do covers of Ed Sheeran's Thinking Out Loud. The Weeknd's Earned It. What was it about those songs specifically that inspired you and worked for the band?
Well, you just said the key word. Those are great songs. All begins with a great song.